This is the 60 puzzle and it's just 6 T's and 1 square box. If you start by just packing a couple of the T's into the box, we can get a 3rd T in over here. And then we can try fit a 4th T in over here, but you can see it's already sticking outside of the box and there's going to be no way to get these last 2 T's into the box. To get the 6T puzzle for yourself, go check out that link in the description. Now to solve the 6T puzzle, we're going to start off with a solid T and place it onto the bottom of the box, leaving all the cuts facing up. Next, we're going to take this T with the 2 edges cut off the top and place it standing up inside of the box. Now before we add another T into the box, you can see it's going to stick out this way. We actually have to take 3 of these T's and put them together. So to start off with, we're going to take this T with kind of like a cut side and then a solid side on this side. Take this T and interlock them together. Next, take this T and interlock it with these 2 T's here. Now we're going to take these 3 T's and drop them into the box, and that leaves a perfect amount of space to fit this last T into the box. To get the 6T puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.